Heads. Heads. Tails. What do you think, Steven? They're gonna have good luck here? They think they need a new steam boiler. Heads, heads, tails. What do you think? Let's go see what's going on.
Well, I learned from your video about the crack, so I took the top off, and sure enough,
Well, that's too much work.
it was 6 screws.
Yeah, but you have still the 2 bolts on top of the internal draft diverter.
I didn't take that part out.
Oh. So you're a subscriber of mine, huh?
I am.
You got an old Will McLean EG 55.
Yeah, the date on it said 99 when it was when it first serviced.
Look at that. That thing's stuck on stupid.
Yes, it is.
Because the pigtail's clogged.
No, I cleaned that. There was nothing in there. That's
then it's a bad
thought.
pressure gauge.
Yeah, I thought it was like that too, but here's the...
Let's see.
Right there.
Yeah.
What is this? What this black was? This pipe leaking?
Let's see. Let's shine some light on this bad boy. Oh no! See, that's carbon. That's the boiler. See the blackness right there?
I see that. Yep.
So you got some carbonization going on in there. On the top. That's what that is. It's carbon. Let's take a look down below. Let's see. Yeah, not so bad.
No, I cleaned down
Not
there,
so
like
bad.
I said, I never took the...
It's pretty clean down there. You have a little bit of carbon on top, though. But that's definitely carbon right there. See that? Right there. But you don't have it there. Did you take this top cover off?
I never did, no.
Because it's all... The
No,
seal
I
is...
see that. No, once I took the screws off, I saw all
Yeah.
that.
Hey, listen, at the end of the day, you know, it really shouldn't... there shouldn't be any rust there. If there was rust there, that means there was water there.
Yes.
And if there's water there...
And I mean, I know all this piping is wrong with the bullhead T. The half a loop is not at the right height or anything.
Well, yeah, this is wrong.
Yes, all of that.
Yeah, this is wrong. This should be a 90, and then you
Yes.
should have the both takeoffs from there, and then the equalizer
Yeah, we
going
moved
back
here
to the
in
Hartford
2000,
loop.
And this was like this already.
Yeah.
So,
Okay. So what do you want to do with this bad boy?
I mean, it's not fixable, right? Basically.
Listen, if there's a hole in the cast iron heat exchanger, there's no fix for that.
Right.
There's no like professional plumbing fix for that. You know, yeah, they make, you know, stop seal solutions.
Yeah,
that you
look right there. The
boiler weld, exactly.
I know,
They make
I
stuff
just
like
tried
this.
it. I had
but
it, so-
that's, you know, that's like your car. You need a new car radiator. You're gonna put that radiator, you know, stuff in and then try to seal it up.
Right.
Eventually, you're gonna be replacing it.
Yes.
You know, is this boiler piped in the wrong way?
It's totally
yes,
piped in wrong.
it's wrong. Does that affect its performance?
Sure.
Absolutely.
Yep.
Does it have to be taken care of, right? Like urgently? No, because it's been like that for 30, 40 years.
Right.
Right? But if you're going to replace the boiler, then you redo
Oh no, of
the
course, I definitely want that.
steam boiler header piping.
And then we get a lot of banging because of that low spot. I think they pushed that pipe up too high. And
Yeah, so you have a back pitch pipe there. So
Right.
this which goes over there,
Right.
you're gonna. Oh, hold on a second. What is up with that?
What's on the plumbing side?
So look, it elbows up on a
Yes,
45,
yes, it's
goes
solid.
across this old school I-beam, which is made out of wood,
Right.
comes up, and then breaks down again. And you got asbestos over everything. And then that goes over down here,
And it goes to the left.
and it goes to the left,
Yeah.
and eventually to the drop to the wet return.
Right.
But this is a big boiler, though.
Yeah.
It's a big boiler. So maybe those pennies were like a message to me, right? Because 2 heads, 1 tail. But a week from tomorrow, we're taking out that Will McLean EG gas-fired steam boiler, and we're giving him a Burnham. Much smaller size. That's appropriately sized for the house. And the best part is that he's probably watching this video right now, and because he's a subscriber to the channel. So that I like that. You know, it shows that the power of social media is impressive.
Yes, sir.
You know, and literally this guy lives a half a mile away from our shop. All right, off to the next.